Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to change your email address on Podio. I know, it sounds like a simple task, but it can actually be a bit tricky if you don't know where to look. So, I'm here to help you out. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tried to change your email address on Podio and found yourself stuck? If so, then you're not alone. I've actually had a few people reach out to me in the past and ask for help with this. And so, I decided to create this video to help others who might be struggling with the same issue. So, let's get started. How to change your email address on Podio. Log in to your Podio account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on the Change Email tab. Enter your new email address in the field provided. Click on the Save button. A verification email will be sent to your new email address. Click on the link in the verification email to confirm your new email address. That's it. You're all done. Additional tips. If you're having trouble changing your email address, you can contact Podio support for help. You can only change your email address once every 30 days. If you change your email address, you will need to log in to your Podio account using your new email address. I hope this video helps you change your email address on Podio. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.